Update on our quail. I showed y'all what they looked like this morning, how they couldn't walk, and how I was having to feed them by hand. Well, I had to go to an appointment. When I came back, the box was knocked over. And they were integrated with the rest. Look at these guys. It's amazing. They're walking, eating, chilling like villains. There's two. We got a third one. There's a third one. I don't know how good he's walking, but let's see if he drinks some water. Oh yeah, baby. It looks like we're doing good, Juju. What did I tell you? Come on.